Welcome back to DIY with KB. If you're new here, my name is Kiva and I teach people how to achieve the luxe look for less. Now, if you know me, you know I am an entire IKEA fanatic. I mean, I go to IKEA 3 times a week and I have absolutely no shame about it. So today I'm giving you the top items I cannot leave IKEA without. I mean, I buy them every single time and I swear it's for a good reason. Today, we're not just talking home decor, we're also talking kitchen essentials and DIY supplies. So this is an episode you're not gonna wanna miss. Before we get into today's video, please remember to subscribe, like this video, and check me out on Instagram. If you want me to design your home, click the link in my description box for my virtual design sessions. Now let's get into today's video. Item number 1 is this 3 set of sponges, which they sell for $1.99. I love these sponges because not only are they aesthetically pleasing, but they work super well. I actually got this recommendation from House of Valentina because she said you can actually throw these in the dishwasher and keep using them instead of having to rebuy sponges, and she was totally right. I've been using these for months now and I absolutely love them. And I like now that I don't have to like tuck away my sponge in a drawer. I can leave it on the counter in a dish and it still looks aesthetically pleasing, because there's nothing worse than looking at your kitchen that you beautifully designed and then you see that horrible green and yellow sponge sitting on the counter. So this is a must buy. The next item is this Produkt immersion blender, which is $2.99. Obviously, immersion blenders are all the rage right now because everyone is making their sweet cream cold foam at home because we don't go to Starbucks anymore. So this thing is really fantastic. Lots of people are recommending immersion blenders online for like $20. This one was $3 and it is so good. We use it to make whipped cream, stuff for our coffee. It's amazing and you just can't beat the price. You just have to put batteries in there, and again, IKEA sells batteries, so you really can't go wrong. My last kitchen essential is this Grilltider set of 2 squeeze bottles. It's $2 and I really love this because if you're having nacho night or you're making salad dressing and you don't want it to get everywhere, you just put them in these nice little squeezy bottles. They're a little bit cheaper at the dollar store, but they're not this big. I also love to use these for DIY projects. So whenever I'm doing really fun artwork, I really want some drippies or I want to do splatter art, this is exactly how I do it because these bottles are super affordable and it kind of contains your mess. Now let's move into home decor because that's why you're here. That's why you watch my channel. I talk about these pillows in every single video, so you need to pick up on that. I love these. These are the Fjadrar Pillows. They range from $7 to $10. They have a 20 by 20 and a 26 by 26. This is how the pillows come. They're packaged super well and they inflate like crazy, which I absolutely love. This is the 26 by 26. It is $10 and I'm telling you, they make my sofas look incredible. I'll show you an example of that right here, but they're really nice and compact. I load up the car with these. The other day I tried to get 8 out of the store, but babe caught me and I had to downgrade to 6, but still, I got some. They're really amazing and they go perfectly not only with IKEA pillowcases, but with other companies. So if you really want to invest money in a pillowcase, but you can't justify paying all that money for a down insert and the pillowcases, get the insert from IKEA and then splurge elsewhere. Now that I told you about those Fjadrar pillows, my next essential is the Aina pillow cover. They range from $10 to $15 and they're fantastic. These are the ones that I picked up most recently. I'm telling you, I get these things every single time. And I really love these because they're linen. So you get that really nice luxury look for absolutely no money. These are super cheap and they come in a variety of colors. I have paired this with black to really introduce some neutral tones on my sofa, and I think it works super duper well. My tip for these is always to size down. So if you're getting a 26 by 26 pillow, we want to get a 20 by 20 pillow cover because it's going to get that really nice overstuffed look that you want if you're trying to make your home look luxurious. I'm telling you, these pillowcases are so wonderfully made. I put them in my luxury client homes all the time, and the quality is the same, if not better, than a lot of luxury brands, and you just can't beat the price. Not only do I love the Aina pillowcases, but I also love the Sanelas. So the Sanela is for the glam person, the dark and moody, the industrial. Anyone who loves velvet, really, the Sanela is for you. Come in so many different colors. So the Sanela pillow covers actually match the Sanela curtains, which are also such good dupes for luxury brands. I mean, velvet curtains are so expensive and you can get these, I believe, for under $70. But these pillow covers are fantastic. They do accumulate dust a little bit more than linen pillow covers just because because they are velvet based, but they are really nice, very comfortable, and a really good addition to any home. The last pillow cover I want to tell you about is the Vigdis pillow cover, which is $8. So I love the Vigdis pillow cover. They come in second to the Aina, and I really like them because they look just like the Aina. They just have like a different back. I think maybe they either have a zipper or ties instead of something else, which is totally fine. I can't even really remember off the top of my head. They just look really high quality. They look super luxe. They're very comfortable. I've sat around with all these pillows for ages, so you know I'm telling you the truth. I'm not just giving you recommendations and never having actually tried those things, but they are truly fantastic. The only complaint about this pillow cover is that it doesn't come in a big enough size, so it's pretty small. The next item that I cannot leave IKEA without is the frame. And now I'm gonna give you an in-depth discussion of all of their frames because I buy a ton of them. So the IKEA frames are not just good for photos, but they're also good for artwork. I use them for that all the time. This is a gallery wall I just created using all IKEA frames, and I think it looks really nice. This frame you're looking at here is the Scatterbee frame. This is the most expensive of the frames. The smallest one is $15, but you get that really nice luxury look because it is a perfect square. And then it goes all the way up to $50, which is this bigger one that you're seeing here. I still really love it. It was worth the $50 to me because it is a 24 by 36, but that doesn't factor in the size of the frame. So it's even bigger and it really makes a statement. I also really love their Ribba frames. I go on and on about them. I use them everywhere in my house, including in this gallery wall. And last but not least, I also have the Edsbruk frame. So that frame is $6. It's also in this gallery wall. It just has a really nice thick frame, and that's really important to me because I am into modern design. So having really harsh frames really appeals to me. I don't want them to look rustic. I want them to be really clean lined, and I want them to really stand out on the wall. The IKEA frame that I picked up this week is this Virserum Frame. They range from $5 to $15. I really like it because it is an antiqued brass, not a gaudy gold. So this is really great if you have brass as one of your accent colors, and say if you have a brand mirror like me and you want to incorporate that color more but without going overboard, a really good way to do that is with picture frames. I've also done it with my task lighting. So the colors tie in really well, and this was super duper affordable. I'm gonna put them in my entryway and really have gold accents in every single room in my house. The next IKEA item that I cannot leave the store without is one of the Fixa toolkits. So they have so many different toolkits. They have ones with screwdrivers, they have ones with the drill, but I love this one because it has not only some screws, but it also has the drywall anchors. This is the kit that I get every single time I go to IKEA because if I'm working in my own home or at a client's home, I want to make sure that my artwork or whatever I'm hanging is properly anchored into the wall. Going to a hardware store can be so overwhelming. So with IKEA, you're getting screws that you know work with the drywall anchors, and you know whatever you're going to put up there is going to be super sturdy so that you can walk away from a project in your own home or someone else's home feeling really confident about what you just did. Another item that I love from IKEA is this Kugas box. So I recently used this box actually to clean out my home decor like DIY closet because I have so much paint and all that good stuff, and I really needed it to be organized because I was buying the same thing over and over again because I didn't realize I had it. So I use these boxes to organize everything, and I love that they come with a lid. They're really nice and sleek. They're white, but they fit in anywhere. You could use this in a closet, in a kitchen, in a pantry, in a bathroom. You could use these anywhere, and they're super affordable, and they just make everything so sleek and organized. You can put a really nice label on them and you're looking like the home edit without spending any money at all. The final IKEA item that I cannot leave without is the Mosslanda picture ledge. I really love these picture ledges because they work no matter how old you are. If you're working with a kid's room, they provide a really great place to put up some books. It comes in white and actually a true black. I know from IKEA you are totally surprised, but it comes in a true black, and it's a really great place to hold books. It's also a really good way to put up some artwork and kind of layer it. You see that in designers' homes like Studio McGee and stuff like that. So this is a great way to do it on a budget. Again, I really like this because it is a picture ledge, not just a shelf. So it has the ledge that will keep the picture on there. So if you live somewhere where you're worried about things falling, this is going to keep things a little bit more secure. And if you're dealing with a kid's room, you're not going to be worried about the books falling over. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Those are the top IKEA products that I cannot leave the store without. I'm telling you, they have really allowed me to level up my home decor, DIY, and organization game entirely on a budget. Be sure to let me know down below what items you're gonna be scooping up. If you liked today's video, please remember to subscribe, like this video, and check me out on Instagram. And if you want me to design your home, click the link in my description box for my virtual design sessions. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.